everybody, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now let's continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, this time we have this sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, very good. Oh, oh, oh. Yay, good job. Okay, now let's say some words that start with oh, oh, oh. Okay, can you help me please? Yes, very good. Oh, 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 octopus. Okay, what else? Oh, 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 ostrich. Very good. And then, yes, oh, 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 orange. Very good. What else? Yes, oh, 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 otter. Good job. And then anything else? Oh, 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 oval. Yes. And then what else? Very good. Oh, 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 onion. And then? Good job. Oh, 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 ox. Yes, very good everybody. Alright, now let's try to write the oh, 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 oh sound, okay? Okay, let's write it. Where is your pointer? Good job. Okay, let's make a circle. Oh. Okay, one more time. You can follow the arrow as well. Okay, let's write. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's try to spot the oh, oh, oh sound, okay, in the words. And then, if you hear the oh, oh, oh sound, you have to say the word and clap your hands, okay? But if you cannot hear the oh, oh, oh sound, no need to clap the hands. Got it? Okay, very good. Alright, the first word I have fox. Fox. Can you hear the oh, oh, oh sound? Yes, so what do we need to do? Alright, let's clap our hands. Fox. Fox. Okay, very good. And where is the oh, oh, oh sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the middle. Good job. Okay, next I have oven. Oven. Can you hear the oh, oh, oh sound? Yes. So what do we need to do? Okay, let's do it together. Oven. Oven. Very good. Where is the oh, oh, oh sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning. Good job. Next, I have ant. Ant. Can you hear the oh, oh, oh sound? No, 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 no. Okay. And then next, ocean. Ocean. Can you hear the oh, oh, oh sound? Yes, very good. What do we need to do? Yeah, let's clap hands. Ocean. Ocean. Very good. And the next I have sun. Sun. Mr. Sun. Can you hear the oh, oh, oh sound? No, 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 no. So we don't need to clap our hands, right? Good job. And then the last one, I have this. Mop. Mop. Can you hear the oh, oh, oh sound? Yes, very good. What do we need to do? Yeah, let's clap our hands. Mop. Mop. Okay, where's the oh, oh, oh sound? Great, it's in the middle. Yes, very good everybody. Alright, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy your riddle everyone.
Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is a fruit and the taste sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And the name of this fruit is same like the color. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's an orange. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes! Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Alright, now let's review. One more time, what sound is this? Yes, oh, oh, oh. Don't forget the movement, like you turn on and turn off the switch, like on, off, okay? Oh, 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 okay? Okay, one more time, what sound is this? Oh, oh, oh. Very good. And then let's write the oh, oh, oh together one more time, okay? Let's write it. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, very good. Okay, everybody, good job. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.